Hi, this is Abigail from Origami for Cause, and today we will be making an origami square. Now, it's not just going to be this. It's not going to be folding it and then folding it again. It's actually a different type of square. You'll see. So now we're just going to do the simple thing. Just fold it in half. Very easy. Now you can open it up. It's going to be one hard part. And fold it in half the other way. Now you're going to open it up like this. And then you're just going to, there's going to be this part at the top. You're just going to squish it down. Then you're going to, the part that's popping up, you need that part. You're going to take two sides and going to fold it just like that. And make sure on the inside it's folded perfectly. Well, not everyone's perfect, so. And I'm just going to fold the crease all the way down. See, look, you got a bouncing square. You can open it, and you can close it back up. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.